Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing, well, today I attempted to do a metal inspired makeup look based off this striker shirt that I have. But as you can see, I didn't end up using the orange. I tried, and you'll see. It was kind of a fail. I was able to fix it though, and I really like how this look turned out. It's just an icy ass blue look with a huge wing, big lashes, and a nice grungy lower lash line. So I like how it turned out. Hopefully you do too. If you want to hang out and kind of see how I created this look, then let's fucking get into it. Alright guys, for the makeup portion of this video, this is the shirt. Not my favorite color combo. We've got like dark orange, burnt orange, and blue and white. Like, what? But hey, it's a challenge. So we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, honey. I've honestly been looking for an excuse to use this blue in an eye look, so let's just try that. Oh, don't mind the glitter that's stuck to my face. I did a tutorial yesterday and the glitter won't come off. Don't know what to do about it. Okay, so anyway, this is NYX Liquid Suede in little denim dress. Brighter than my future, honey. So I'm just gonna stipple that around. Try to soften the edge before it dries completely. So anyway, yeah, we're going to see Striker tonight. Super excited. Love a good concert. Love going to a concert with my boo. And Gara and I both love Striker, so it's gonna be fun. I think we're guest listed because we're special. Let's set that with filter from Lime Crime. Why do my eyelids feel weird right now? I think my eyelids are a little sensitive from that glitter. I'm trying to get that glitter off my freaking lids last night. It was not a fun time. So we're really going there with this blue concept today. I'm gonna dip into Bermuda from this Spectrum palette by Profusion. Blow out this edge. We're blending the fuck out of that shadow. And then once you're pretty much done blending, here's a super secret pro tip. It's not really secret because I say it all the time. Get a clean brush and some translucent powder. This is No Color Powder by RCMA to be specific. And I like to get a little bit on the brush, not too crazy or anything. But I like to use that to soften my blend because I'm not the best at blending. And this way, I'm not just adding more colors. It's kind of just blurring it. I totally forgot I had some under eye patches. Let's use some of those today, because why the fuck not? These are by Babe Lash. Brightening under eye gel patches. It's got a cute little marble box. Kind of matches the marble backdrop. Can you guys tell that this background is marble? Or does it look like lightning? I don't mind either way. I think it's cool. But technically it's supposed to be black marble. Oh my goodness. How lovely. I should have put this on before the eyeshadow. It could have helped with my shape a little bit. Wow, those are really solid. They're sticking there and they don't feel like they're gonna slide around. Sometimes when I do gel patches, it feels like they're gonna like slide off my face. Kind of want to dip into Nautical right here and bop that on my outer V a little bit maybe. Ooh. That shade is beautiful. I'm loving it so much. I'm bringing it all the way through the crease. It is just going so well with that filter color that we put on the lid. My only problem is like I'm kind of hating this light turquoise thing that we did. I wish we didn't add that turquoisey Bermuda shade up there. I'm not liking it. But I don't know what else we can do about it, to be honest. Alright, I think I need to take these off. I think the patches are nice. I think I did too much skincare before this, and my skin is feeling a little like, please leave us alone, bitch. Let's clean up a little bit of this fallout and maybe fix the shape here. Should we try a wing? I have the Babe Lash Enriching Liquid Eyeliner. Oop, my hand's dirty. Before we even think about doing liquid eyeliner, I need to pop some white. I gotta pop some white in here. Do we like that? Does it look cool? It's kind of like we made a cut crease, only not actually cutting the crease. Let's try this eyeliner. The felt tip is just too stiff. It is way too stiff. It's dragging on my eyelid. Oh, but it dries nice and black. Ugh, I wonder if I could use a different brush. I like how it dries so matte. This is a good formula. The brush is just not, you're not able to use the applicator, but I really like that formula. I feel like my wings are kind of like, you know when you watch Bob Ross paintings and it's like the painting is looking beautiful and great and then he freaking just slaps a really big tree like right in the middle of it? That's what my winged eyeliner is for me sometimes. I have to hurry this along because I'm running late. Oh my god. I think we're gonna do orange on the bottom. Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. And we're done. I think I literally hate that, so I might just cover it up with concealer, not gonna lie. I'm moving on. I'm running late. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and you guys, I just reviewed this in a video that I posted today, and a lot of you said that you love this primer and that I should try it with other foundations, so I'm gonna do that. It does feel really nice on the skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. I have the shade LN2. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm gonna pop some cream contour on. This is by Ritual de Feel and it is called Intuition, which I just love this shit. I love it. I tried it out the other day and I'm obsessed. Wow, really? Alright, what are we gonna do with these under eyes? I can't stand the orange. I'm copping out because I have to go out in public, you guys. I'm gonna do more of this fucking blue jean shit. There is so much product on my under eyes right now. I'm gonna look like the Crypt Keeper later. Alright, I gotta set this shit. Set my face. I should be pre-gaming right now. What is that? The sun is coming in? Is this the worst makeup look ever? I think I'm gonna do a black waterline. So once the black is down in the waterline, I'm gonna add a little black powder eyeshadow underneath, and then we're gonna blend. Make it nice and smokerific. Ooh, let's blend with that. Where's that blue shade that I like? Blend a little nautical under there. Nautical is coming through for me today, honey. This shade is saving the look. I wouldn't even be able to tell that there used to be orange under there. A little translucent powder just for the outer edge. These freaking lashes have glitter all over them from last night, but I'm using them anyway, so I'm just gonna kindly ask that you ignore any spare glitter that you see. Okay, so I quickly throw my brows because this is a freaking clusterfuck. For blush, I think I'm gonna do this one right here. This is what I used yesterday, and I'm in a rush and I can't think about experimenting today. maybe a tiny bit of that orange one, just to make it not so pinky. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna do this white one here by Marin all over my face. This is my favorite highlighter ever, my go-to. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the blue one too. Okay. That one was a little bit more powerful than I thought. Looks awesome though. Dude, I'm going to a concert with blue highlighter. What am I doing? Let's pop a little of the blue in the inner corner. Oh my gosh, I forgot setting spray. Shit. I already did my eyes though. I'm gonna do this. This is Bambi by Atomic Makeup. So yeah, this is like a kind of a nice cool toned dark nude. So I think it goes well with the eyeshadow. So that's why I chose it. As you can see, it still looks pretty sick with the shirt, right? I mean, we didn't use the orange. I couldn't. Really? So couldn't do the orange. I couldn't hang. I couldn't do it. I feel bad. I feel awful, but it was starting to look like, I don't know, it wasn't looking good. So I'm really enjoying just the baby blue with the big wing and like the grungy lower lash line. I'm into it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'm running late, so I gotta get going. Mom needs a drink. Oh, check out the vlog that I'm gonna post. If it's posted already, I'll link it below. If not, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!